old bedroom ni Tami. Nakalako. Ayaw niya akong papasukin doon. Ang kalat daw.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Umulan, guys. Kumain na ako ng breakfast. So, mag-harvest sana ako ng ng scallion. Tulog pa si Tami. Alis lang kami, guys. Morning po sa lahat. And, yeah, katapos lang namin kumain. Well, early yung lunch namin para naman hindi kami magutom. Alis kami. Punta kami sa isang bahay kasi this morning na naman, nagising na naman ako dahil yung sensor doon sa isang bahay mag-flood daw. Pero wala naman, parang may mali ata sa sa machine doon yung magsisensor. Binalik ko lang ito pero yung suot ko, guys, is ito siya. Yun, at saka naka-short po ako, guys. Look, naka-short galing sa dollar store. Pangbahay lang tayo, guys, kasi sa isang bahay lang naman tayo punta. Yun lang, magdala tayo ng stick. Oh, guys. Han, I brush my teeth already, but I don't care. I will be in the car. Okay? Don't forget to give the dog its sweets. The bones. Okay, I love you. I'll see you there. Tinubigan ko yung garden ko. And sana, kung hindi kami umalis ngayong araw, sana, mag-garden ako. Yung mga dinala kahapon ni Tami na yung stone. Ko sana yun. Mag-start sana ako ngayong araw. Ay, ang hirap makashort. Ay, ang ginaw ng upuan. Ay, para mga akong nagiginawan. So anyway, so mag-garden sana ako ngayon. Ang gagawin ko sana, magbungkal ako na dapat lang ilagay yung patindig na mga block na dinala ni Tami. Okay lang yan siya. Nilagyan.
What the hell is this? What did you pour in there? No idea.
The one in the kitchen.
The Purell?
Yeah, why is it like this?
No, I don't know what the hell you did. This is like water.
It's just the Purell. I do like the Purell like this. Maybe because of the gel and the alcohol.
Yeah, no, it should stay thick, hon.
My God, you're accusing me of something
Because
again.
it's very bizarre, hon.
I don't know, because there is a gel that you put the first time.
My mind is gone, but look, you put water in it and the sanitizer thing.
I don't put water in it, Tommy.
Look like.
I just close it. Don't you dare.
Look like water.
Yeah, I know, but I'm confused. Halahan, can you put the garbage? Hala, they don't pick up the garbage.
No, they didn't pick it up. I came back last night.
Look, there's still yellow here, and we can tell the yellow spot. This is the thing that we don't put. So we have to.
No, that's not necessarily weeds, but yeah, I have to put some more stuff in.
I have I have full. Just drive lang tayo, guys, and you enjoy the ride, mister. What you think? What thing?
Yeah, I'm going to put it in there.
What thing, Tommy? Don't ting me.
Flood sensor. You're the one with the thing, everything, the thing.
Don't ting me, Tommy.
Big pool.
Ha? Namiss ko tong bahay. Dito na kami. Si Tommy diretso agad sa sa basement kasi yun yung inano niya dito. Dinala ko yung steak ko para naman meron tayong snacks. Diba? Kunti na lang. Puntahan natin sa amin sa basement. Tapos nito. Super steak nga yung pangalan nito. Pero noon is steak ko. At saka, ang taas ng container. Noon, mataas yung container. Yung bata pa ako. Naalala ko noon, wala akong pambili ng papel. Diba, nagbabaligya ako. Nagbibinta ako ng mga ganito, chocolate, yung mga malaking bag na chocolates and then individual wrap yung sa loob. Yun yung mga bininta ko. Wala akong papel. Ang gagawin ko, may gustong magpa-exchange ng mga papel, mga ganito. Lalo't pag exam, kailangan mo ng maraming papel. Paminsan, mag-anak ko, yung tubo, yung sugar cane, mang-harvest kami sa amin, dalhin ko sa school, and then, ipa-exchange ng papel. And what happened?
Oh, it's wet.
It's a little wet.
Yeah. When I dry it off, it went off, so. Clearly. This one.
Why is it wet? Do you know why?
I don't know. my batteries in my flashlight are dead.
You don't have battery here? Ito lang yung pinunta namin dito, guys. This is why we came here for. The genius guy is taking battery out. That's how genius he is, guys. Your long hair. What's his name? The one na Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison. What's going on in here? This is not what I left over here. What is all these boxes here? Is this Isabel's boxes?
Yeah.
Why it's out? What is this in bed here? Mga itatapon, oh. What is this? Oh, this is all Isabel. Oh, what is this? Big box?
Well, that was from this TV, I think.
Huh?
That was from this TV, I believe.
Old bedroom ni Tami. Nakalako. Ayaw niya akong papasukin doon. Ang kalat daw. Kapatid ni Tami, mga brand new pa. Itatapon na, look. Mga brand new. Sayang naman ito. Ang lalaki kasi ng mga paa nila. Look. Tatapon. What size is this? Meron pa dito. Look. Mga ano ito. Ay. Sayang. Throw it away?
Yeah.
What size is this? Tingnan natin kung anong meron sa mga box. Why she's gonna throw her boots? Ah,
You hate to do it.
no, but this is not gonna fit her anyway. Look how small it is. Look, it's nice. Look, a 9 waist. This one is a 9 waist, guys. Look how nice it is. Oh, this one she's still. No, it's not. She cannot wear this too. It won't fit her. Look, it's 9 waist. Ano mga sapat, mga boots. Oh. And what is this? Another boots. This is a colorful boots. I miss mom's bedroom. Hi, mom. Amoy ano pa rin. Amoy Biyenan pa rin dito. Hello, mom. Amoy Biyenan pa rin. Nakakamiss. Diba? And why there is no camera here? Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
I should want new batteries.
You wanna go to the store and pick up some batteries?
Except I don't want to walk in. Will you walk in? This is a fucking asshole.
Can you just try? Oh, bring your thing. You know,
No, I brought it in case I forget the battery size.
Bumili siya ng battery, guys. So, yun. Bumili lang siya ng battery para sa sensor niya. So, ngayon, time check, it is already 2 o'clock. Alis kami dito, hopefully 3 o'clock. Sana, hopefully. Para makauwi kami mga 4 something, mga 5, ganon. Yeah.
Okay. But you don't really need to spend $1 million. You know, all the work that needs to be done, you do like for $750,000. So you got $250,000 that you didn't use that they're willing to give you.
And nanonood ako ng video ba. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo ha, the video that I watched. Diba? Ouch! Ay! Sarap. Sarap. Ang sarap. Look, ganda. Diba? Nakaka-addict. Yan siya, guys. Sarap talagang pakinggan. Sarap ng feeling. Pati puti lumabas. Parang nanggaling sila dito. Natin. Kasi parang nanggaling sila dito. Ipalagay ko to ni Tami doon sa garage. Kasi gusto kong ilagay niya doon para doon ilagay yung grocery na hindi dapat ilagay sa loob ng bahay. Where do you think is the leaking part? Up there, right?
Well, it's before here, so it's coming from up higher.
What kind of pipe is that?
It's a drain pipe.
The drain from the bathroom?
Yeah, it's their own settings like that.
The whole house? That's not just the whole house.
No, there's more drain pipe.
Huh?
No, there's other drain pipes.
We have to come back here and look where that from. Something is just need to be tight.
Yeah, no, not that way.
Huh?
I don't think so.
And I'm sure it's very thick. That's not gonna go like rotten. Nag-leak pala eh. May leaking pala yung pipe dito. Kaloka. Ay, nako. Iwan ko na lang kailan pa kaya itong mabinta itong bahay na to. Sana talaga mabinta na to. Ibinta na talaga nila ba? Maghintay pa sila na masira talaga itong lahat yung bahay. Pero ano itong bahay na to eh. Strong. As in strong. Makikita mo talaga siya. Kapag i-open mo itong mga wall, ang daming mga walling, mga pipe, talagang strong siya. Pero dahil 100 plus years old na po ito, for sure, maraming problema na sa mga piping, sa mga tubig, padaanan ng tubig, problema na. And, yun siya gusto. Sana bilisan nila, uy, itong si Tami. Iwan ko na lang, puro sila paanuhan. Ay, nakakaloka. Anyway. Okay, guys, we are going. I'll be in the car, okay? Hurry up. I'll be in the car. Don't forget your phone here. Ang init ng panahon, grabe. I mean, okay naman. Mainit lang talaga dito sa sasakyan. Mahangin naman sa labas. Okay. Sala. Well, you don't tell me that. You cannot move this without any on. It's not on. I think it won't come. I just realized I knew it, right?
Little squirrel sitting there waiting for us to leave so we can grab his.
Seems like he's starving.
Yeah.
They were good, right?
Maybe he's just watching us. He's watching us back up. And there he goes, slowly going over to you.
Hello, he's so cute, right?
A little faster, He goes, okay, I think we're gone. Now let's go forward and watch you scoot.
Ay, Han. Ano, Han? Look. Oh my god. Sometimes I think this girl have their own mind, huh?
Yes.
Huh?
Everything has its own mind.
Really? Even ants?
You orange?
No, not
Yes,
even.
ants are actually very... Ants are some
Ants are very smart.
creatures. You swerve. Then you can't do the thing much.
Something in your mouth. What's in your mouth? A boozy. You got a boozy in your mouth. What is that? A boozy again. Aww. Yeesh. Aray, ginoo ko. Aluloy. Aray, ginoo ko. Aluloy. We are ala, Tommy really get rid of the thing. That was pure real. Why you get rid of it? Hala, that's what I do. It's gonna be watery again. Believe me. Basa pa ito, oh. Kailan kaya ito? Let's go. Come, let's go. Come. Aray, ginoo ko. Yung green onion ko, lumaki na siya ng dahan-dahan. Look. Green onion. Hi, Misty. What's in your mouth? What's in your mouth? What? What? You wanna go pee-pee? Come here, Michi. Come here, Michi. Ayaw niyang iwan yung bunsi niya. Come here. Come. Do you wanna... Guys, sabi pa ni Tammy, my husband said, your vlog is not English. He has... Did you just put stuff, right? My nose hurt too, man. I'm planning to make suman. Isa lang pala yung ano ko, coconut milk. Ah, God, I forgot. I'll get it tomorrow because I wanna make suman, guys. Okay, I'm going to snack this one. It's ensaymada. Mag-snack lang tayo, guys. Ikakat ko lang siya ni half. Yan. And then, kain tayo nito. Hopefully, this feel good. Okay. I'm going to change hand quick, okay? Is that okay? I leave you. Na-miss kong matulog dito sa taas. Gusto kong matulog dito ba? Hindi pa nga ako nakapaglinis dito sa taas, guys. Naglinis ako, guys. Pero hindi ko in-arrange yung mga gamit na ilagay dapat sa ano, sa attic. Yes, Rox. Mama's going to do laundry, bebe. Mama's gonna do laundry. Maginaw dito na floor kasi ano, inon ni Tammy yung ano, easy. Maglaba lang tayo. Meron kinuha ko lang yung labahan dito din. Tapos siyang kumain. Manunood lang kami ng ano, guys, snowpiercer. And i-end ko na to ditong vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys, ha. And thank you so much. I will see you guys tomorrow. Wala tayong masyadong vlog, pasensya na. And yun, boring ngayong araw kasi.